Good morning everyone. Hope you all are very well. Our this chapter was going on sector of Indian economy. Today I will teach you the terms about GDP, GNP, final value, intermediate goods, unemployment and its type. So let's start the chapter with GDP. GDP was there in first chapter also, but in this chapter also this term is there. GDP. The full form of GDP is gross domestic product. GDP is what? The sum of final value of goods and services produced in a country in a specific period of time is known as GDP. GDP, I am stressing the word final value. Now you should know what is final value. So final value is what? Value of product at its last manufacturing stage. Value of product at its last manufacturing stage is known as final value. How? How you will understand? Very simple example. The farmer is producing wheat. Then the wheat is supplied to bakery, biscuit factory, where it manufacture it and convert into biscuit. So the value of biscuit will be added, not the value of flour, not the value of wheat. If we directly sell wheat into the market, then the value of wheat will be added. So that's why the last stage of value of product. It means that simply the value of final product is known as final value. So final value is added whenever GDP is calculated. Now our next point is GNP, gross national product. Gross national product is what? When GDP plus net export. Net export means export minus import. In GDP, we include the value of goods and services which is produced within the country. But in GNP, we include the value of goods and services out of the country. It means that international trade, simply international trade is also calculated in GNP, gross national product. So the full form of GNP is gross national product. It includes GDP plus net export. Hope you understand. Now, intermediate goods. Intermediate goods has been asked many times in examination. Very simple term it is. 1 mark question has been asked. Intermediate goods means what? The goods which are used in manufacturing. The goods which are used in manufacturing. The goods which are used to convert raw material into final product is known as intermediate goods. For example, for manufacturing biscuit, sugar, ghee, oil, flour, dry fruits, these all are intermediate product. So intermediate goods are the goods which are used in manufacturing process. Next very important topic is coming unemployment and its type. Unemployment, you know that unemployment is the biggest challenge for today's economy, Indian economy. You know that in our India, working population is the maximum comparatively in other countries. If we compare with other countries, then we have working population maximum, and we are also in second number in the terms of population. So providing population is a very important responsibility of government as well as individual. But unemployment is a very big challenge for today's Indian economy. So first you need to know what is unemployment. Simply if I define the unemployment, then it is a condition where educated and qualified person do not get job according to his quality. Unemployment can be seen in society in many types. Again I am repeating, unemployment means what? It is a condition where an educated and qualified person do not get job according to his quality. It is known as unemployment. Now, what are the classification of unemployment? Unemployment is classified into 3 categories: permanent unemployment, seasonal unemployment, and disguised or under unemployment. This is the various conditions of permanent, seasonal, and disguised. I will tell you in next lecture. Next lecture is also going to be very interesting for you, because in next lecture I will teach you in detail about permanent unemployment, seasonal unemployment, and under unemployment or disguise. What are the condition of it? What is the condition of unemployment in rural area? What is the condition of unemployment is in urban area? How to create employment? This is the topic related to unemployment topic. So in next lecture, please be with me. We will continue the chapter with unemployment and its classification. Thank you.